Question 7, the diagram showed two types of plant cells, cell A and B. So these are both plant cells this time. Which one is found in the leaf? Well, it's not this guy. This one is a root hair cell. It definitely can't be that one. So it must be cell A. Biggest issue there was a lot of people just didn't answer the question. They missed it out. This cell A is called a palisade mesophyll cell, or sometimes just a palisade cell, characterized by having lots of these structures here, large numbers of them, which are, of course, the chloroplasts. So, give one way in which each is adapted. I just sort of said it there. It contains lots of these chloroplasts. It wasn't enough to just say it contains chloroplasts, because lots of plant cells do, but the adaptation cell A was it contains many chloroplasts. We don't need to say in this question what they do, we are just saying how they are adapted. Cell B, more people recognise that it was this projection here that's really important. This sticking out projection provides a large surface area. That's going to be very useful to these, because a large surface area means it's got more space, more membrane to absorb things like minerals or water from the soil in which the root hair is found. Name 3 structures found in both types of cells. So we should look at that picture straight away. We can see they both have a nucleus, that black dot. Zoom out a little bit on this question. They also both have a cell wall, the outer there, and they all have a vacuole. You could have also said cell membrane or cytoplasm. Name one structure only found in cell A. That's going to be the chloroplast. And again, people did pretty well recognising this, the chloroplasts. The reason it's the only one with the chloroplast is you don't find any chloroplasts in root cells because they're underneath the soil. There's no light getting to them. It'd be a waste of a plant's energy to put chloroplast in that cell. So the structure that we see inside that one is the chloroplast. It's quite obvious from the question there. Again, not full marks had on question E, but you did pretty well. As different cell types may contain different organelles. Tick the boxes in the table to show which structures are present in the type of cells listed. Red blood cells don't have a nucleus. They don't have a vacuole, but they do have a cytoplasm. A nerve cell, it's an animal cell again. It has a nucleus, doesn't have a vacuole. It's not a plant cell, but it does have cytoplasm as well. Root hair cell, you can look above. It's got a nucleus. It's definitely got a vacuole this time, and it's got a cytoplasm. Sperm cell. It does have a nucleus, although it is only a haploid nucleus. It's only got half the number of chromosomes. And it does have a very small amount of cytoplasm. So actually, it allowed both tick or empty on that question, because it's sort of debatable. So it doesn't matter if you ticked it or not for the cytoplasm on the sperm cell. If we look back, what we can notice is that all of these cells have cytoplasm. All of them except for red blood cells have a nucleus, and only the plant cell there has the vacuole that's present.